There are words in the English language that are particularly twins, but with totally different personalities. Today, you'll learn the most confusing word pairs in English, so you never mix them up again and speak with clarity and confidence. Some English words look or sound the same, but their meanings are completely different. These tricky word pairs can easily lead to embarrassing mistakes. Let's break them down with easy examples. Let's start with homophones. These make same sound, have different spelling and different meaning. They, spelled T-H-E-R-E, refers to a specific location or place. The book is over there. It tells us where the book is. There, spelled T-H-E-I-R, shows ownership or possession. That's their car. It means the car belongs to them. There is a contraction of they are. They are going to the party. Yo, something you own. Is this your phone? Let's look at the other your. This is a contraction for you are. You're amazing. Let's look at commonly confused vocabulary. Affect versus effect. Affect is to influence. The weather can affect my mood. Effect, it's the result. The medicine had side effects. Stationary. Stationary with an A means not moving. The car remained stationary. It means it wasn't moving. Stationary with an E means paper and pens. I bought new stationery. We use stationery in the office or at schools. Compliment. Compliment with an I is to praise. She gave me a nice compliment. Compliment with an E means to go well with. That scarf complements your outfit. That scarf goes well with your outfit. So, compliment with I for nice things people say. Compliment with E for things that go together. Context is everything. Some words are spelled the same but have different meanings depending on the context. Let's look at the following. Lead, as a verb, means to guide. He will lead the meeting. Lead, as a noun, means a heavy metal. The pipes are made of lead. Bass. He plays the bass guitar. The second one is bass. We caught a big bass fish. It rhymes with class, gas. So this got same spelling and totally different meanings and pronunciations. Want to stop making these mistakes? Read and listen often. You will see how words are used in context. Use flashcards to review tricky pairs. Practice writing and speaking using the correct forms. Ask yourself, what's the function of this word in the sentence? You don't have to fear confusing words. Now you know the difference, and with practice, these words will become second nature. See you in the next video.